Today we are going to crochet a hat with a faux cable effect. We are using a 5-ply milk cotton yarn for this. We are using a 3.0 mm crochet hook for this project. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's crochet together. The finished height of this hat is approximately 20 centimeters. The width is approximately 22 centimeters. The height of the brim is approximately 6 centimeters. The total length of the hat is approximately 26 centimeters. First, make a slip knot. Make a slip knot on your finger. Insert the crochet hook into the slip knot. Crochet 52 slip stitches. After completing 52 slip stitches, crochet another chain stitch as the turning chain. Then go back to the second last stitches. Turn the piece over. Pick up the back loop of a stitch. This is the back loop. It's the inner loop of the stitch. Crochet into it. Turn 12 to the back side. Pick up the back loop. Crochet single crochet. On top of the first single crochet completed, place a marker. Then in order, at the back loop of each stitches, crochet a single crochet. A total of 52 single crochets in the first row. Knit with a green yarn. Crochet a turning chain, turn the work. Next, crochet the second row. The turning chain does not count as a stitch. The stitches in front is our first stitch, second stitch, third stitch. We work from the center of the braid outwards. Pick up the outer half loop for crocheting. Crochet hook from the first stitches. Pick up the outer half loop from the center of the braid outwards. Crochet single crochet. This is the first single crochet. Then in order, pick the outer half loop. Crochet 52 single crochets. Crochet 3 single crochets again. Crochet 4 single crochets again. Crochet 5 single crochets again. Crochet 6 single crochets again. Crochet 7 single crochets again. Crochet 8 single crochets again. Crochet 9 single crochets again. Crochet 10 single crochets again. After completing the second round, crochet a slip stitch. Turn the piece. Continue crocheting the third row on the back. Do not count the slip stitch as a stitch. We start crocheting from the first stitches. In this row, we pick up complete stitches. Crochet hook. Pick up the first complete stitches. Crochet 1 single crochet. Then crochet a total of 52 single crochets in order. Continue crocheting. After completing the third row, crochet a slip stitch. Turn the fabric over. Continue to crochet the fourth row on the back. We repeat the crocheting method of the second row for the fourth row. Only pick the outer half of the stitches. Crochet single crochet. Pick the outer half of the stitches. Crochet single crochet. A total of picking the outer half stitches for the fourth row. Crochet 52 single crochet stitches. The crocheting method for the fourth row is the same as the second row. After completing the fourth row, crochet a turning chain. Turn the fabric over. Continue to crochet the fifth row on the back. The crocheting method for the fifth row is the same as the third row. We pick the complete braid. Crochet single crochet. A total of crocheting 52 single crochet stitches for the fifth row. Continue crocheting. Later, we just repeat the crocheting. Only pick the outer half of the stitches for one row. Pick the entire stitches for one row. Crochet single crochet in this looping manner. The fabric will form such a pound-proof effect. Repeat the hook method of the second and third rows behind. I have crocheted a total of 87 rows here. If you want to increase the height, we need to cast on more stitches when we start. If you need to increase the width, then we just need to crochet more rows. After completing 87 rows, crochet a standing stitch. Cut the thread and pull out the end. This is what our main crochet looks like. A large protrusion is 2 rows. A small protrusion is 1 row. Let's count the number of rows. There should be a total of 87 rows. Next, fold the 2 ends together. Use a hand sewing needle to sew the stitches at both ends one by one. Next, sew this row together. After sewing the side, we come to the top of the hat. In the coil on the top of each bulge, thread a needle. Which is the line of vertical lines corresponding to the coil above. Put it in. Repeat the threading later. After all the stitches on the top of the hat are worn, let's tighten this thread. After drawing the tightest, tie a knot with the previous thread. After drawing the tightest, tie a knot with the previous thread. Tie the previous thread in a knot. Then use your hand stitches to hide the thread. Add a hairball or bow to the top of the hat. Will be even more adorable. There may be an opening in the top of the hat. Without decoration, we can use stitches and threads. Come and sew it to death. Next, in the center of the brim, stick a cute little cloth sticker. Such a very cute little hat. And we're done.